Did you know that 80% of businesses fail within the first 18 months? What if I told you that the right marketing strategies could help you secure your first 5 customers and kickstart your business journey? Sounds good, right? In today's video, we're discussing a crucial topic for any entrepreneur: how to get your first 5 customers in just 10 simple steps. Whether you're launching a new business or trying to grow an existing one, these steps will guide you through the process. So, grab a pen and paper because you're going to want to jot these down. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more actionable tips to grow your business. Let's get into it. Many new businesses struggle to gain attraction and find their initial clients. It's completely normal. The truth is that without a solid marketing strategy, it can be extremely challenging to stand out in a crowded market. You might have a great product or service, but if no one knows about it, how are you going to make those first sales? Let's explore why this happens and how you can overcome these obstacles. First off, it's essential to understand your target audience. Who are they? What do they want? If you don't know this, you could be wasting time and resources on marketing efforts that don't resonate with anyone. Plus, establishing a strong online presence can be daunting. Social media, websites, emails, it's a lot to juggle. But don't worry, we're here to simplify this for you. Now we'll delve into each of the 10 marketing strategies, providing actionable tips and insights that you can implement right away to grow your client base. Strategy number 1 is leveraging social media. Platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn allow you to connect directly with potential clients, showcase your products, and build a community. Share valuable content and engage with your audience to create a loyal following. Next up, consider hosting events or workshops. This not only helps you showcase your expertise but also allows potential customers to interact with you in person. People love to connect face-to-face, and this can lead to incredible networking opportunities. The third strategy is content marketing. By creating valuable blog posts, videos, or podcasts, you can establish yourself as an authority in your field. This not only helps attract clients but also builds trust with your audience. Moving on to strategy 4, email marketing is still one of the most effective ways to convert leads into customers. Build an email list and send out regular newsletters with updates, offers, or helpful tips. Now, let's talk about partnerships. Collaborating with other businesses can open doors to new clients. Find businesses that complement yours and explore ways to work together. The fifth strategy is online advertising. Platforms like Google Ads or Facebook Ads can help you reach a larger audience quickly. Just make sure your ads are targeted to the right people. Once you start gaining customers, showcase their testimonials and success stories. Social proof can greatly influence potential customers and encourage them to trust you. Next, focus on providing excellent customer service. Happy clients are more likely to return and recommend you to others. The ninth strategy is to create a strong brand identity. Your branding should reflect your values and resonate with your target audience. A memorable brand can set you apart. And finally, stay consistent. Consistency is key in marketing. Whether it's your social media posts or email newsletters, ensure you regularly engage with your audience. Remember, it's all about building relationships. This means not just selling your product, but genuinely connecting with your audience. Being approachable, responsive, and relatable can turn a casual follower into a loyal customer. Remember, people want to buy from someone they trust. To summarize, we've covered 10 marketing strategies that can significantly help you attract more clients and secure your first 5 customers. From leveraging social media and hosting events to providing excellent customer service and building relationships, there's a lot you can do to grow your business. So, which strategy are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments below.